Hello, my name is Steve Wu. I'm at Silicon Valley Law Group, and I help companies with advanced information technologies, especially artificial intelligence and robotics. One of the things in looking at AI and robotics that I think about is the effect of other related technologies on AI and robotics. AI and robotics, you shouldn't look at them in isolation. Big data, cloud computing, Internet of Things, all work together with artificial intelligence, depending on the application. And you need to look and understand an entire ecosystem of services to understand the real risks associated with AI and robotics. So let's use the example of an autonomous vehicle. Yes, it's a robot of sorts. It's using artificial intelligence, but it's at once a mobile computer. It's relating to big data because it's receiving a lot of mapping information and throwing off a lot of data. It's connected to the cloud and therefore a part of the Internet of Things. It's using advanced information technologies. It may integrate with mobile computers like your phones or tablet computers. You may even have access to social networks, and there may be integration with other types of systems like your Fitbit type of devices so that it might interact with that car. And as a result of that, when you think about risks associated with that autonomous vehicle, those risks may come from other technologies that are working synergistically with that robotic system. So for example, a car might crash not because there's something wrong with the car after it left the hands of the manufacturer, but because the big data service provider didn't provide proper mapping data to the car, and it had an accident because the mapping data somehow had a mistake in it. And at the same time, looking at technology synergistically in this way, you realize that we're entering an era of not only pervasive computing, where we have computing systems, sensors, and devices all around us, but those devices and systems are increasingly becoming intelligent. There's processing power on them. They've got sensors, they're taking in data, they're communicating back and forth, and there might be processing going on there at the edge of networks. We're entering an era of ambient intelligence where we're going to have intelligence in the devices all around us. And only by understanding that big picture can you understand the real risks associated with artificial intelligence and robotics.